Yo, what's up, fam? And welcome back to another video. So the World Cup is going on right now in Qatar. And I was thinking about how can we make money in this World Cup? In some type of way we can make some money. And then I thought about it. How about we do bets? Because when we bet, we make some money. So that's exactly what I did. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but it's gonna turn out some way. So what I just did was download an app for betting. There's a lot of apps you can use, but I use DraftKings. So it's really simple to sign in. You just make an account, less than 20 minutes, everything is set up. So to get started, I just transferred a good amount, not so much to the point where I'm gonna go bankrupt, but not so little. So what I did was I just transferred $100. We're currently still halfway through the whole tournament. There is no draws at this point. There's just wins. That's the reason why I started. As you can see, you just sign in, we just transfer some money. So the first pick is gonna start this Friday. For this first pick, I'm gonna choose Brazil because gotta go with Neymar, even though Neymar's not playing right now, but gotta go. Let's do like 20. I'll get $23. So a lot of people are in for it. But Croatia, I put $20 in Croatia, I get a lot of money. I'm gonna go with Brazil either way, so Brazil is done. And Argentina versus Netherlands. Gotta go with Argentina. My boy Messi needs to win this cup. That's all I'm saying. And I gotta go with Portugal because of, Ronaldo. And finally, between England and France. So England and France is kind of a hard pick. I guess I'm gonna choose both. Do $10 for one and $15 for the other. My bets are all set. I don't know how this is gonna play out, but I'll keep you guys updated. And yeah, let's make this money. So we back. 4 teams made it to the quarterfinals, and now I'm gonna show you my results of how much money I made. From the last time we saw each other, I did make some changes last minute. So our total result right now that we have in our account is a total of $98. So we went from $100 to $98. What gives? But the app has ways where you could bet for the advancement, meaning whoever wins at the end, it wins the bet. But what I did was change from qualifying bet to a regular full game bet, meaning whoever wins throughout those 90 minutes wins the game. But turns out they had to go to penalties. After those penalties were hit, I lost because it's not for qualifying. It was only the 90-minute game that I betted for. So we're down $10. So the next game was Morocco versus Portugal. It was a weird game because I both won and lost. But what I did was I betted on both, like I did with England and France. Last minute I changed the bet because something told me I had to change it last minute. For Portugal, I went with Portugal all the way. I said, you know what, Ronaldo's gonna come first game, and turned out it wasn't that. I betted $15 with Portugal for qualifying. But what I did to back myself up so I don't lose all my money was I betted last minute on the other team. And for that, I betted $9. And you're gonna say, $9? What the hell? For $9, I would get $31, which means that I made my money back by betting on the other team as well, which was less likely to win. You get a higher percentage of winning. So with $9 on Morocco last minute, it gave me $31.50. So the next game was France versus England. And this game was pretty tough. It was really hard to know which one was going to win, to be honest, because England is a great team and France as well is a great team. So it was really hard to make a decision at the end because after seeing so many games this World Cup, the teams that would have won or would have gotten to the semifinals or quarterfinals did not get to the quarterfinals. So it was really hard to make a decision at the end of the day. So what I did was the same thing as what I did with Portugal and Argentina. I betted both sides. I did have a feeling that France would win, so I went with $10 instead for France, and turns out France won. And for that game, I won $17 when I went with France. But at the same time, I lost $5 in England. So now that that's over, we're gonna bet for the next games. the next games, it's gonna be Argentina versus Croatia and France versus Morocco. Honestly, Argentina all the way. Messi does deserve a World Cup, so I'm gonna go with $20 with Argentina, so I could get $27.84. But like I said, you never know what could happen in this World Cup, so I gotta go with Croatia too. I'm probably gonna put only $10, and even with $20, I'm gonna win $30. France versus Morocco. Morocco, I like you, but come on, France. Like I said, you never know. You never know. Brazil, we thought I would go against France. If I bet $10, I'm gonna get $40. Let's go with $10, and our bets are set now. The rest of the money, $38, we got left. And that being said, let's get it. What's up, fam? And I'm gonna finally give you my results. All I'm gonna say is the finals was crazy. We made a total of $136. Leo killed it. Leo deserved that. So what happened was they went all the way to penalties, and Argentina looked like they were about to lose, but they came through. But from the $50 I betted, I got $95 back. So in profit, I made a total of $44, which is not that bad, for a bet of $50, which is an 88% of return. So was it worth betting in this World Cup? Overall, we got to $135. We started at $100, but that's the name of the game of betting. You win some, you lose some. You never know what's gonna happen. I said, yeah, if you have some money going on, just go for it. It's just a small way you can make money without even doing nothing. I'm not encouraging anybody to bet or anything. Instead, with that money, you could do other things. For example, start some businesses on the side, which I recommend watching. I'm gonna put the link right here, so you guys could watch how to start a business online or start investing for your future so you can make even more money. But if you guys are down to bet, make some money while watching a game, but that doesn't mean you should waste all your life savings on or all your hard work earned money. But like I said, for me, it was worth it because I had really had fun while watching the game, and this was actually one of the best World Cups I've seen so far. So it was really fun to have this World Cup, and go Messi 2022, the GOAT. Alright, so stay true, stay honest, stay up. Deuces.